Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can make a custom Woocommerce thank you page using Elementor. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Pages and then click Add New. Create a new page and name it Thank You or anything you like. Now click on Edit with Elementor. Once Elementor opens, you can design your page using text, images, and buttons. You can add a thank you message, order summary, or even upsell products to make the page look more professional. After designing, click Publish. Now, to set this custom page as your thank you page, go back to your dashboard, go to Woocommerce and then Settings and then Advanced. In the Checkout Endpoints section, look for the option called Thank You Page or Order Received. Here, choose the page you just created from the drop-down and click Save Changes. Now, whenever someone completes an order, Woocommerce will show your custom thank you page instead of the default one. And that's it. Now you know how to make a custom Woocommerce thank you page using Elementor. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.